Looking for a reliable online wholesale glass and mirror partner? Join the Pro Partner program with Fab Glass and Mirror for Business. We're not your run-of-the-mill glass shop or fabricator. Think of us as the Amazon of the glass industry. We have the largest inventory of ready-to-ship products in America with our 65,000+ square feet warehouse facilities in Ohio and Florida. And if our inventory doesn't meet your specific needs, we'll customize the perfect solution for you. With 24+ fabricators across the USA and 15+ overseas suppliers, we offer record lead times and unmatched capabilities, all without you having to contact multiple vendors. Get your project completed on time and on budget with trusted job site delivery. Get exclusive product discounts, flexible payment terms, streamlined bulk orders, and dedicated customer support. Our fabrication network provides unrivaled production capacity, crafting everything from shower enclosures and glass railing systems to IG units, laminated glass, LED mirrors, glass boards, and a wide variety of custom glass and mirrors. Sign up today at fab.glass to unlock your Pro Partner benefits.